In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change website logo in Odoo. If you want to update the branding on your Odoo website, the good news is that the process is very quick and beginner-friendly. Changing the logo is one of the simplest ways to make sure your website reflects your business identity, and you can do it directly from the website editor without needing any technical setup. To begin, go ahead and open your Odoo website. Once you're on the website, look toward the top right corner of the page and click on Edit. This will open the website editing mode, which allows you to make visual changes directly on the page. If you don't immediately see the option, make sure you're logged into the correct account with permission to edit the website. After entering Edit mode, locate the current logo on the page. Now double-click on the logo image block. This opens the settings for that specific image where you can replace the existing logo with a new one. Take your time here to make sure you've selected the correct image block, especially if there are other images or icons nearby. At this point, you'll have the option to either add the URL for your logo or upload your logo image directly from your device. If your logo is hosted online and ready to use, you can paste the image URL into the appropriate field. If the file is saved on your computer, simply upload it instead. For best results, use a clean, high-quality logo image with a transparent background if possible, since that usually looks more professional across different website layouts. Once your logo has been selected, click Add to insert it into the image block. After that, take a quick moment to check how it looks on the page. Make sure the size, alignment, and overall appearance fit nicely with the rest of your site header. If everything looks good, click Save to apply the changes to your website. And there you go, your website logo has been updated in Odoo. This is a small change, but it can make a big difference in keeping your site polished and on brand. That's all for this video.